What's up guys, this is Ref and welcome back. So for today's video, we'll be doing another speed test and benchmark comparison of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra versus the iPhone 11. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. It is updated to One UI 7 with Android 15, while the iPhone 11 is powered by Apple A13 Bionic chip with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. It is updated to iOS 18.5. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Well, for the results of the speed test and benchmarks, the S25 Ultra beats the iPhone 11 comfortably. But it's nice even the 6-year-old iPhone is still have some capable score in benchmarks. In terms of RAM management, due to the limited RAM in iPhone 11, some apps do reload when switching back, comparing to the S25 Ultra, with most of its apps still intact on the same page where you left it. So there you have it. So that is my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra versus the iPhone 11 speed test and benchmark comparison in 2025. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.